Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am entering in the hashtag 2crafters 1 design hosted by Mo Creations and Girliest Cards. I will link both of their channels down below. This week they are hosting the challenge using Peachy stamps. And I do have a lot of older Peachy stamps, so I thought it would be a great time to dust them off and submit my entry. Here's the card that I made. Let me show you the supplies that I used. I used the Jolly Holidays Cricut cartridge, and I used the Gingerbread person. This is the set of Peachy stamps that I used. This is the Sweet on You face assortment, and I used 2 different ones right here. I actually used some chalks to fill in because of the cardstock that I was using. And I think they came out super cute. So I used these Peachy stamps. I've had these for quite a few years. I'm not sure what set this is because I separate a lot of my dies, but it's a stitched banner die. I used that right down here. And I used my Lawn Fawn, it's I think Stitched Hills, to make my little hill, because they look like they were floating on the card before I put that in. And I'm not sure who this one is from. I took it out of the packaging, but it was a stamp and die set, and I used the From Our Home to Yours stamp, which is right here. The papers, I had some scrap papers in my stash, so all of the paper, which I did use my sewing machine and I stitched them together, I just used some scraps from my stash. Up here I have this little mistletoe and this little snowflake. I used from this sticker book that is the seasonal, and I used those. And then I used some of my dewdrops for their buttons and some eyelash trim for decoration. That's my entry for the hashtag 2crafters 1 design. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day.